Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, hopefully you are all doing good. Today we are going to learn about health, safety and environment. Firstly, we are going to start with the health. What is health? Health means being physically and mentally well, or we can say and free from any illness that caused by work. Simple as that, health means being physically and mentally well and free from any illness caused by work. Or we also can say that health is a protection of the people from physical injury, protection of buildings or equipments from damage. Or we can say it's a protection of workers from illness, diseases or condition that caused by workplace exposure. Now it's more clear. For example, physical, biological and chemical. These experiences we get during the workplace exposure, and how we can overcome with the health issues. For example, good ventilation in labs, that will help to prevents breathing harmful fumes. Good ventilation in labs prevent breathing harmful fumes. Second thing, we can take example, wearing mask. Wearing mask can help us in dusty places. Why we have to wear the mask in dusty places? Because it's dangerous for our lungs. We can say that it can protect our lungs. Another example, we can say that we must have to get the regular checkup as well. For what? To detect to detect illness early. Second most important thing is safety. Let's think about the safety. What safety is? Safety is protection or condition of being protected from hazards of workplace by applying procedures, controls, and regulations to prevent from what? Injuries, accidents, or ill health. This is the definition. Safety is the protection or condition of being protected from hazards or workplace by applying procedures, controls, and regulations to prevent from injuries, accidents, or ill health. This is the main purpose of the safety. In short, we also can say that safety is a state where risk has been reduced or eliminated to an acceptable level. This is the short definition. Safety is a state where risk has been reduced or eliminated to an acceptable level. Now, what things we need to follow the safety? For example, we can write examples here. We must have to wear the PPEs. You know what is the PPEs? Personal protective equipments like gloves, helmet, and goggles. These are the basic PPEs responsible for to protect from injury. These are PPEs. Second thing, we have to, whenever we have to operate any machine, we must have to follow machine instructions to prevent. Why we need to follow the machine instructions? To prevent accidents. We know that follow the safety in our industries at workplace. The main reason is to prevent accidents. And for the unknown people or for all the workers, those are working in the environment in the workplace, we must have to show warning signs. Why? The reason is to alert people about danger, like what can be the danger, like chemicals or fire. These are the main reasons we must have to follow these precautions. And today's last thing is what? Environment. This is also very important. What does environment means? Let's write first the definition of the environment. Environment means keeping the air, water, land, and surroundings safe from harm that caused by humans. Or also we can say simple that environment means keeping the air, water, land, and surroundings safe from harm that caused by humans. Or we can say that it's a protection of environment from air pollution, from water pollution, and land pollution in order to protect all living things like plants, animals, and humans. These are the two definitions of the environment. And how we can save our environment? We have to follow these things. For example, this is the example. Proper chemical disposal. Why? To prevent soil and water pollution. We know that many industries, when they leave their chemical water, their disposals in the soil and water, the soil and water pollution occurs. Second thing, use eco-friendly materials like why? The main reason is they can reduce harm to nature. So these are the main things today we have studied about health, safety, and environment. These are main things at the safety fields. When you will become the safety officers, these are the main concepts you must have to know about these things. And for watching more videos, like my channel, and if you have any questions and what topics you want to learn more, so tell me in the comment section box. Hopefully in the next video we'll meet again. Thank you so much for watching my videos.